Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're looking at the 3/8" drive deep socket set. And this is from DeWalt, and it comes metric and standard in the same kit, which is really nice. So to get into the kit, you're going to open up the tabs, which we'll talk about later. It also helps them interlock into other toolboxes. But what I really like is how this kit lifts out, and now you can use this tray for your toolbox to keep everything organized. And I'm so happy with how these turned out. You can buy these kits one at a time or all at once, but at any rate, they're very nice to put into your toolbox, keep everything organized and from rolling around. So it really comes with a free organization tray with each of these. This is good. It starts at 10mm. I'm always wanting more. 8 would have been good too, but it does go all the way up to 19mm that way. And as far as the standard, you're starting over at 13/16 is the largest size, all the way down to 1/4 inch. So good range. Very happy with it. It'll be a nice kit for a 3/8" drive, which is what I pretty much use more than anything. It would be nice as well if this would have come with a driver. They probably assume that you would have that. So the ratcheting driver here, you'll just have to buy separately, or maybe it'll come in another kit if you buy one of these other DeWalt kits that has it. So anyway, the overall finish is really nice, very smooth, very neat looking. And 6-point is what this one comes in, which I really like, as well as the edged grip for helping you to ratchet and everything once you've broken the nut loose. So very nice kit, very happy with it. And these totes, if you've seen the other videos, and if you haven't, checked the video description for my link on the other reviews, it's really nice how they clip in together and then they stack on each other. So you can see on each corner of the toolbox it has little divots so that these will lock into place. And then on the sides, you're going to lock them in, and that's going to keep this together as one sturdy unit. So as you can see here, if you have multiple kits like this, it's really nice because you can stack them and lock them. And again, if you're taking these out and putting them in your toolbox, now you have stackable totes for other things. I'm going to probably put all the other loose sockets that I have floating around my toolbox in these, and you can stack them up, you can transport them. If you had to take these with you in your truck, they're going to stay together, which is really nice. So overall, it's a really nice setup, very sturdy. This is with all the tools still in the cases. You can see they still stay together, and so it's a really nice idea. Maybe they could have gone a step further to have them roll out like drawers, because once they are stacked, you can't really do much. But anyway, that's the review on the 3/8" drive deep socket set. Please check the video description for the other reviews that I've done, and I'll put a playlist with all the tool reviews that I do. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.